So guys, for the first method, you want to find your zip file, you want to right click on it, and then click on extract all. You can untick this, and then click on extract. And now you can open up your new extracted zip folder. See if that works for you. And now for the second method, I'm going to be leaving a link down below to download WinRAR. Or you can just head over to any web browser and type in WinRAR and then go to this link. And now once you're on this, you're going to click on download WinRAR. And now you're going to scroll down and then click on download WinRAR again. It's going to start downloading automatically. And now you're going to click on the exe file. We're going to run this. Once this comes up, you're going to click on yes. And then click on install. And then click on OK. And then click on done. And now you want to find your zip file again. Once you find it, you want to right click on it. And then click on show more options. And now WinRAR is going to appear. You want to hover over it. And then click on extract here. Which will then extract your zip file. And now you're going to have it.